Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use array formula in Google Sheets. So for example, we have here name, sales value and number of sales data. If you would like to multiply sales value by number of sales, you will get some result. We would like to make this operation for each row, so I will use here array formula to do it. So we need to click double time on this cell. I type here equal sign, then I type array formula, I open the bracket, and I select sales value range. After that, I need to type here operation which I want to make. So I want to multiply, so I use this one sign, and now I need to select the range from number of sales data. So I select it, then I close the bracket and I press enter. In this way we got result for each row. So how you see, it really works. Of course you can use array formula to make other operations like divide. So it is a really useful function that I recommend you to know. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.